Hey, poopers. Welcome to Hashtag Straight Poop. We enjoy having you here, and so do my lady, Shelties. We're gonna get right into the kitchen. I got a picnic bench waiting for you to sit and watch us cook. We'll discuss things about barbecue and cannabis and other foods, and we'll just have yucks, okay? We're not here for shits and grins. Thanks for joining us. Now join us. You know what? If I can't grill, smoke roast, or smoke chicken and lots of snow on the ground, I'm gonna poach it in either chicken stock or base, okay, or broth, and that's what I do. And it keeps it moist, plump, and delicious. Culinary Adventures, I booked executive chef for Phillips Seafood Baltimore. Before that, he was executive chef at the Baltimore Hilton. And they were doing their turkeys for Thanksgiving and Christmas in the oven and losing about 20% yield. He bought a bunch of giant stock pots and they started simmering the turkeys in broth. Took them out when they were done in about an hour and a half. Very little shrinkage. Browned the skin under the oven. And then perfectly moist, beautiful, tender bird. Same thing here. Took about an hour. Nice and firm. After I jacquard, okay? And I'm going to jacquard again just to show you. And I'm going to dump it back into there because I have a cooked one to show you. Now, jacquarding is a tool, and it's got a bunch of blades, and we've done this before, okay? And you just put the blade in, and it's like spring-loaded. Butchers have been using these things for years, but on an industrial type size. Corned beef, smoked butts, things like that. And nowadays, you got packaged ribs, you got packaged pulled pork, you got packaged already cooked briskets. So, jacquard. J-A-C-C-A-R-D if you want one. So I'm putting it back in here, okay? And it's just gonna poach. It's as simple as that. 1 hour. I have it on 6. And that's all you do, okay? With the chicken, I let it cool. I could use it that day. I could also keep it in a bowl of broth in the fridge. After that, since I jacquarded it, it's ready to shred. You can slice it for fajitas. You make Asian chicken salad out of it. I shred it for enchiladas. Okay? But it's so versatile, man. And if you're snowed in, and I'm not saying I am, but if it was a catering contract, I would honor it. I'd be out there in the snow. But this is an alternative, okay? So I suggest you do chicken breast, chicken thighs. Hey, you want to make a whole pot of soup? Get a whole chicken, take the guts out, the liver, the carcass, whatever, the offal, the hearts, gizzards, liver. Take all that out, plunge it in your soup. After about an hour and a half, you're gonna have moist, delicious chicken that hardly even shrank. That's the deal. So anyway, grab your free Eat Cook book. 125 barbecue cannabis recipes, 230 pages total. I wrote it. It was published in 2018. It took me 20 years to publish. It was therapy, believe me. I'm lowering this down a little bit. Go follow the graphics. And then you'll see the comment section. You could compliment us, you could criticize us, you could say happy things, or you could spread hate. Whatever you want to do. But make sure you grab that free e-cookbook. It's at the top, it's pinned. Click on it, you're going to get it in less than a half a minute. This broth is going to be spectacular, believe me. So, and I'm getting a cold, so I'm going to drink it down, man. That's about it. My dogs love having you here. We love having you in our kitchen. Okay, so we'll see you next time on hashtag Street Poop. We always say, my dogs especially, if you're waiting on us, you're loafing. Okay, hang loose.